my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get your hands on the most viral bag of 2024. So if you're interested, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I just unboxed the Coach Denim Tabby in 20. This bag went absolutely viral and it actually sold out before it was released, which is wild. And I like to say that I was going to mention in my other video, I feel like the designer brands try to intentionally create this hype of like trying to artificially create the hype that Coach organically created with this bag. And it's funny because Coach was totally not prepared for the hype and for the girls to be calling and looking and demanding this bag. So let me explain. I saw this bag first on YouTube. I saw someone unbox it, but I had already saw the Coach bags, like the denim bags that were being released, and I hadn't seen a picture of this bag. So I was like, okay, what's this bag? I called my sales associate immediately because I was interested. I said, hey, I saw, and I shared what it was. And I was told, hey, yeah, that bag actually is already sold out, but it's not supposed to release for another week. Quite confusing. How is it sold out if it's not even released? And that's because Coach stores already had the bag. So some customers came in just shopping, browsing, not necessarily looking for this, but they were shown the bag because it was in store, even though it was prior to their release date. And some stores started selling the bag to their clients. Those clients started taking pictures, posting, wearing the bag. The pictures started circulating, the videos started circulating, and it instantly went viral. And everyone was running to Coach over the last 2 weeks trying to get this bag, including myself. Shameful, I know. But I want to share with you guys how you can still get your hands on it. I just got this bag, so I was kind of late to the game because I only got this bag a few days ago. And it was delivered today. I had it overnighted to me. So yeah, how did I get this bag? First things first. I would say at this point, the way I got the bag was calling around to the store, and I'm going to put the name of the bag and the style number. The style number is important. That's the easiest way to make sure when you call the store you're requesting this particular exact bag. So I'll put the style number below. But what I did was I called my boutique and they didn't have it. They're able to search kind of like their system to see if anyone has it. At this point, this would be a great time to call in, ask your boutique, by chance do they have it, or can they check if any other store has it? And I say that because at this point, people are returning this bag. They may have purchased it prematurely and didn't realize it was too small for them, or the size didn't work. Also, the 26 has recently dropped, so some people may have opted for that size instead of this one. So a few reasons why there may be some returns. Like I said, this bag is a very, very, it's a mini bag. So someone who isn't looking for a mini bag may find that this bag, or is not used to mini bags, find that this is too small and return it. So there's that. Secondly, some stores actually had holds. So the bag actually released on March 1st, this past weekend, and then they had it on hold for customers, and then they had a wait list. So when you call a store, you want to ask if they have it, give them the style number. If they don't have it, they may take your information. You can say, can you take my information should you get one in or get a return? I'm very interested. And they'll give you a call if they do get one in. Now, to be honest, I did this for like a full almost day. I called around, found a few boutiques that had them pending a hold, and then those customers never showed up or didn't pick the bag up or passed on the bag. And because of that, I was able to get it. I had 3 stores call me back and offer me the bag that they did not have available. That's totally sold out. So that's the thing. Call around, use the style number, ask them to please put your name down should they get one back in, or someone returns one, or if they have a hold, ask them, when does the hold expire? Can I check back after that? And see if you can work something out. That is the best way to do it. The website, it seems as though they're sold out company-wide. And I think there are rumors that they're going to be re-releasing this bag in the summer. but no one wants to hear that now if they're trying to find it now, you know. One thing also to note is you can check forums, you can see if someone purchased it. I would not start buying like people who are going to start reselling this for a higher price. Like, I definitely don't think that's worth it. I think keep calling boutiques, check in. Don't forget, people can return up to what, 30 days. So there'll be time. If someone decides, hey, they may keep it for a week and then decide, hey, I don't want it, return it to their boutique. And if they already have your name down, you may just be the person who gets the call. So that's what you guys have to do. Again, I'll put the style number down below so you guys can check it out. That's how I got my hands on this bag. Now, I did get it from a boutique, and they were kind enough to send it to me overnight. So that's how I got it so quickly. But yeah, I am very, very excited about this purchase, and I hope this video helps you guys to find the bag. Now, in my other video, I shared that I had something else to kind of unbox or to share, and this is something I picked up from my local boutique. So this is the first thing you should do, is go to your Coach local boutique. If there's an associate you've worked with before, they're gonna look out for you. So you wanna say, hey, you know, hi, remember me? I'm really interested in this bag, you know, what have you. So I had that conversation with my sales associate and actually ended up picking this up at that time. And it was so helpful, but I thought it was funny because I was like, I don't even have the bag. Why am I buying something to match the bag? But this is what I got. So it's the Coach Quilted card holder. And here it is with the bag. I love like small accessories and stuff. So let me just take this out so you can see it better. I love small accessories and stuff. And this one has 1, 2 slots, the main compartment, and then 2 slots in the back. Super fun accessory for spring and summer. I think it complements the bag, but I don't think I'm going to be that cheesy to wear it with the bag. I just really love the quilted denim, like this denim color. I think it's called the indigo denim, like the fade on the denim. The color of the denim is so beautiful. So I just wanted to have this regardless if I actually got the bag. This, I think, is like best spring summer accessory. Super excited I got the bag. So anyone who's still hunting for this bag, good luck. I would say get on it. Get off this video. First, like and subscribe. And then get on the phone and start calling the Coach boutiques. And try to locate you one. I hope you guys find, if you're looking, I hope you find one. But yeah, there'll definitely be returns. So don't be discouraged if you haven't been able to get your hands on it yet. I'm sure there'll either be the second release coming out, or like I said, there'll be some returns. Or like I said, holds that are expiring, because that is how I got 3 offers. They all were bags that were on hold. And I got the call and they were offering it to me. And I just went with the first store who called and offered it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you aren't subscribed, definitely subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, guys.